Guys, in this video, I am going to explain how you can use ChatGPT 4 and free of cost and its other alternatives which you can use in case you are unable or can't buy ChatGPT 4 subscription. So, what you first of all, I am explaining with you what is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is basically an artificial intelligence based platform uh, by which you can search any article, any content around the internet. ChatGPT collects and gathers the information for you throughout the search engines and optimizes the answers and gives the best result to you. And you know, in today's time, GPT-4 is the best option for any content search. But GPT-4 is not free. ChatGPT-4 is not free. Here, ChatGPT, if you open the ChatGPT platforms, you have two options: GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. GPT-4 is paid. You can buy it USD $20 per month. It's subscription where you can access the fast speed and the unlimited content. But in free plan, you can access only the standard discounts and limited access. For example, you can access only 25,000 words content in free plan, but in ChatGPT Plus you can access the unlimited features. Here I am suggesting you the best alternative uh, options available. So the first option is POI. Here POI you can use the POI, a built-in assistant, cloud instant assistant, or chat or GPT-4. Here GPT-4 is paid, but assistant and cloud instant is free of cost. You can use it. It is GPT-4 GPT-4 based platform, and you can uh, search any content. For example, I am writing here, write an article for me on title Pakistan politics. So here, boy giving me a article against my search title Pakistan politics. It is a comprehensive because the backend its backend network is ChatGPT 4. It uses ChatGPT 4 for your search. You can stop at any time if you want no more. If you want to limit your article, but here is enough article you can use. It is GPT-4 based artificial intelligence, and it gives you the latest information as well. And the second option is Bard. Bard is also ChatGPT 4 based platform. Here you can find the latest information because it uses ChatGPT 4 also. For example, again I am asking the same information by Bard article on Pakistan politics. Right for me an article on title Pakistan politics. Right. So here Bard writing fun for me article on Pakistan politics title. It is also ChatGPT 4 which gives you the latest information. You can use it instead of ChatGPT 4 which is paid because it is free of cost and gives you super and surprisingly precise information. So you can use it as well. And the Bard is basically Google is putting the Bard is owned by Google, so it is also best place platform to use. and the last option is Bing. Bing is Microsoft platform. It is also based on Chat GPT-4. It is the number one alternative of Chat GPT-4 because it uses GPT-4 plus. It gives you a comprehensive and precise information as well. First of all, you have to open the Bing search engine and click on chat option. Then you have to click on more creative because the creative tab will give you the more comprehensive information as more as available and the latest one as well. So, right for me, an essay on Abraham Lincoln. So here being writing for me essay on Abraham Lincoln, it's a super and the latest information being gives you. And one thing you should note, the three websites I have told you, Koi, Bard, and Bing. All three uses ChatGPT 4, and all three gives you the different information, concise, precise, correct, but different information each time you search the any article, any content on these three websites. So these are the best ChatGPT 4 free platforms you can use so far on over the internet so far. So for any question you can ask me in comments. Thank you so much.